If you don't remember how to do simply operations, or you just want to learn something new, this is the video for you. Today, we're exploring 3 essential math operations: subtraction, multiplication, and division. Subtraction is the operation we use to find the difference between two numbers. For example, 7 minus 3 equals 4. If we have 7 red circles and take away 3 blue ones, we're left with 4. Each part of this operation has a name. The first number is the minuend. The minus sign is the subtraction operator. The second number is the subtrahend. The equal sign shows equality. And the result is the difference. Let's also see subtraction written vertically. Here, we're subtracting 261 from 643. We start from the right, 3 minus 1 equals 2. Next, for minus 6, we borrow 1 from the 6 to make 14 minus 6, which equals 8. Finally, 5 minus 2 gives 3. So, the total difference is 382. Multiplication is a quick way to add the same number repeatedly. For example, 4 times 3 equals 12. That's like having 4 groups of 3 circles. Every multiplication has a multiplicand, a multiplier, and the product. Let's look at a vertical example too. When we multiply 25 by 36. We go step by step. First, 5 times 6 equals 30. Then 2 times 6 equals 12 plus the 3 we carried makes 15. Next, 5 times 3 equals 15. And 2 times 3 equals 6 plus 1 equals 7. Finally, we add the partial results to get 900, the final product. Division tells us how many times one number fits into another. For example, 8 divided by 2 equals 4. If we have 8 red circles and group them in twos, we get 4 groups. In division, the first number is the dividend. The symbol is the division operator. The second number is the divisor. And the result is the quotient. Let's try a long division example. 117 divided by 9. 9 fits into 11 once, with a remainder of 2. We bring down the 7 to make 27. And 9 fits into 27 exactly 3 times, no remainder. So, 117 divided by 9 equals 13. And that's how subtraction, multiplication, and division work. If you liked this video, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more math lessons here on LolloSTEM.